Hello, what's up guys? This is Onkar from Sinotech and today I'm going to review the Carbon Rom for our Xperia U. So first of all, I would like to thank to the XDA developer forum on which our Xperia U has its own forum and the developers who have worked really hard to give our Xperia U a new life. So thumbs up for all the developers. So let's get ahead and look a review about this ROM. So going into the about phone, we can see it's running Android 4.4.4, that is the latest version of Android. So here's the Easter egg, Android 4.4.4. You can play around it. And then moving on to the next thing. Um, First of all, I would like to show you the customizations of this ROM. This ROM is hugely customizable, and if you go into settings, then you will find this everything. And the personalization column comes over here where we can see carbon fibers, dark carbon, performance, and theme. So let's head on to the carbon fiber thing. Then first we can see all the customizations listed over here. And I want to tell you something, that all the customizations are not available on this ROM. I don't know why, but maybe this ROM is being developed day by day, and hopefully in the future updates it might be fixed up. So let's head into buttons. So enabled for backlight, enabled for and this and that, etc, etc. So you can enable custom action keys for whatever you like to do, like if you want to normal press for back and all. So I don't need anything, like, so I haven't done anything. Device tunable, so this thing is totally blank, nothing appears over here. I don't know why, but maybe this will be fixed in the upcoming update. And then let's move on to interference. You can see there are lots of animation, CRT animation, whatever you like. I like CRT. So then going on to recents, bottom RAM bar, like I have got a RAM bar over here, so that's something like we get. And moving on to, oh shit, okay, no problem. We'll jump again into the settings, carbon fibers, and we were into the interference thing. So recents, and then comes the battery saver mode, so you can use it for battery saving whenever it is necessary. Or you can progress bar style, how would you like to have your progress bar. Then getting into next thing, lock screen, you can customize your lock screen, like active display when, like on the Moto X, whenever we get any notification, it is displayed on the screen. It is usually impressive on this device. And then getting a little closer, you can bypass mode and everything. And buttons, if you press home, like I have selected, if I press the middle home thing, and then it will unlock my phone. And general thing, battery and everything, notifications, and select targets, whatever you want. It's just like cyanogen mode thing. Navigation bar, you can add an extra navigation bar over here, like this thing you can see. Like this, the extra navigation buttons will be added, but it's not for our device, as our device has a small screen, so let it be. We can use our the buttons which we have been provided. So persistence is, I don't know what it is, to be honest. I haven't tried anything, but let's move on to next thing. Pi controls, slim pi, if you enable them, like you'll get all this thing. You can see home and everything, screenshot of it, and all. Like if I go in here and leave it, grab a simple screenshot like this, and yes, it's pretty simple, and it's a good handy feature if you don't want to use these buttons. And then moving on to power menu, like if you want all these things, whatever you can add in power menu, like all these things are provided, you can add whatever you want. Then moving on to next thing, there is status bar, one of my favorite things. You can customize your battery icon. You have whole bunch of settings for the battery icon. Then moving on to next thing, clock, and clock, customize clock, general thing, notification drawer, quick settings. You can add system toggles and quick text and tiles. That's a really handy feature. You can also say like I have customized my status bar over here. You can see I have moved my clock into the center and everything is customizable. That's a pretty good handy feature. If you see that is all about the carbon fibers. Then there's dark carbon. It makes the whole thing dark. If you turn off, you can see it becomes hollow, default Android like. And if you turn on, it is especially very handy if you are using the phone at night while sleeping, or you are browsing on your bed and the lights are turned off. It really becomes pleasant for our eyes. And then performance thing, you can customize performance themes, theme packs. I haven't installed any theme, so it's the default one. Moving back, and then let's go ahead. About phone, we have seen that it's about Carbon Rom. And then one thing I would like to tell about this ROM is this ROM has its very good multitasking feature that is called floating mode. So if we go over here, you can see like you can I don't know why it's blinking. It's happening first time. I'm not quite sure how this is happening. I'll do it from a desktop. If I go floating mode, and here we go guys, you can use gallery and everything. I don't know why it's fluctuating on the background. It's happening to me first time, but that's it. That's how it works. And if you go into drawer, we've got DSP manager and everything. Talking about the Omni Switch app, which is pre-built in the ROM, it is pretty handy. Like I've enabled. So if you see this time, it really makes the multitasking much more convenient, as you can add whole lot of options in this. You can use this Omni Switch app like a recent task manager. You can add multiple apps. You can on the go do everything without opening app drawer, just like having it in the recent thing, which is really a good feature about this ROM. So, and talking about the performance of this ROM just flies with everything I run on it. It is really smooth ROM. I have been using it as my daily driver. I have installed a custom launcher that is Nova launcher. This thing really flies. I'm totally flattened by this ROM, and I would prefer it over the Cyanogen Mod 11. That's it guys. Hit the like button if you like the video, and stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you.